In Naviate, you have two ways of editing elevations. Edit elevations by scroll wheel or by values. With Edit Elevations by scroll wheel, you start by selecting the nodes you want to move. Then use the scroll wheel on your mouse to move the selected nodes. Automatic rebuild of the surface means that this command can be used as a shaping tool for your surface, and any surface labels applied are updated as the surface updates. You can, of course, increase the increment of each scroll. For more detailed elevation editing, Edit Elevations by Values sets elevation of nodes in relation to another node. Nodes can be selected by clicking on the label of a feature line or a Kogo point. If multiple nodes are selected, they are moved as a group. The new elevation can be set by input, by difference, by grade or slope, or by interpolation. This can be used, for instance, for curbstone editing, as this example shows, to create a local lowering along a walk path. The command remembers previous settings, so it's easy to repeat specific elevation editings.